This 21-inch ukulele just came in earlier today, and I'm going to unbox it so we can have a close look at it. Comes with some assorted picks and also an extra set of nylon strings. It has a nice big bag with like a backpack-like strap over both shoulders, and then also an extra strap to go along with it. So you could wear it like a backpack if you'd like. This ukulele is a black color with a shiny finish. It contains the dots on the fretboard. Standard 4 nylon strings. 15 frets on the fretboard. It's a nice little instrument. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have yourself a great day.